Welcome everyone. This is a small video for people who like me likes to use TechPlot for plotting their graphs for scientific article. This is actually a very small video on how to include special symbols for the titles of their axis. This is actually very simple stuff, but sometimes we get stuck in the simple stuff. So since I found out how to make it work, so I thought why not make a video on it. So I will show you by example. So this is, as you can see, this is a graph where you can see the x-axis has already has a title, that is T by capital T. Let's say on the vertical axis, that is the y-axis, you want to include the title, the divergence of WSS. Let's say, well, WSS stands for wall shear stress. So I was facing this problem of how to include this this mathematical or the Greek symbol nebula. So as it stands out, you can easily find out by the help option that is available. Just click on the axis title, double click on the axis title, click at the help icon, then you can just search here, click on search and type symbols. As you type symbols, you will see that the symbol is actually at the bottom. Click there. Okay, okay, it's not here, my bad. Okay. Let's see where I found it the last time. Okay, so I got it. Just type Greek. As you type Greek, it will show you the options. Type on the special characters. As you type special characters, you will see that it presents you with a table, and here is what we were wanting to include, that's nebula. It's in the column where the header is matte. So the trick is to use the English text Q. This nebula is in the row same as Q. So when you so if you want to use the math symbol nebula, you will have to use the English text Q. Let's see how it works. Go back to the graph, and this window is already, the axis detail window is already open. So this is actually the y1 axis. Click on y1 axis, and whatever you want to include, just type it here. Now we know that uh, to include nebula we have to use the English alphabet Q, but before that we have to just write, we have to include the this command, the mat command. Before that, then write the capital letter Q, then end the mat command. Now it should be in a small font. Okay, so this will print out the nebula. Then you want to put the dot, just put dot and WSS. So I think it should do the trick. Here it comes, nebula dot WSS, the divergence of wall shear stress. So here this is how it works. Similarly, this is for nebula. Now using the same trick, you can include any symbols. You can go back to the table here. Let's say you want to include the symbol, okay, the Greek symbol. Let's say this, the summation symbol. If you want to use the summation symbol, the corresponding English text is S, and it's under the column Greek. So in order to include that, we have to just delete it. put the Greek command. It should be in the small font. Then write capital S and end the Greek command. So this should print out the sigma sign. Here it comes. As you can see, the sigma is here. So once you have found out this table, it seems using this table you can plot, or you can include uh, whatever symbols that you want to include just by looking at this plot. I hope it helps. Thank you.